Good morning, friends. Today's category in BHKBVR Coaching Institute is filmy classical songs, classics, which is of film songs. So today I have selected Apara Kirti Galesi Mereva Bhavya Nadidu from Vijayanagara Veeraputra. This song was suggested by my colleague long back, so thanks to my colleague for suggesting this song. This is sung by Sri P.B. Srinivas and written by Sri R.N. Jayagopal. So this song is a description of Vijayanagara Empire and Karnataka. Karnataka, that was Vijayanagara Empire. So this is a very nice song and meaningful lyrics is there with rich Kannada words. So nowadays we are not saying this richness in Kannada words. It is very simple what we use. It is understandable to everyone, which is good. But the rich words description has gone. If you observe the lyrics of this song, you will know how rich the language was earlier in Kannada. So now I will go to the song. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರೆವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರೆವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯೇ ಮಾತೆ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರೇ ಹರಿಯುತಿಹಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾನವನ ಪಾಪವನು ತೊಳೆವ ಕಲ್ಪವಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಾನವನ ಪಾಪವನು ತೊಳೆವ ಕಲ್ಪವಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರೆವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯೇ ದೇವ ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷ ಈವ ನಮಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಾ. ಜೀವಿಗೆ ತಾನೀಡುವನು ಧರ್ಮದ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ, ಜೀವಿಗೆ ತಾನೀಡುವನು ಧರ್ಮದ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರೆವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯೇ ಕಡಿದು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿದ್ದ ಗೊಂಡಾರಣ್ಯ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದನು ವಿಜಯನಗರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ. ಹಕ್ಕಬುಕ್ಕರಾಳಿ ಭವ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ತಾಳಿ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದಿಕ್ಕು ಶಾಂತಿ ಸುಖದ ಕಹಳೆಯು ಕೇಳಿ. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರೆವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯೇ So now coming to the meanings in English. So this says that Karnataka is a state which has lot of kirti and a land which shines. Karnataka is a land of dance and sculpture. Nritya Shilpa Kaleya Bididu. Mother Tungabhadra is flowing here, where Tungabhadra will wash the sin of people. And Virupaksha will give us protection. Virupaksha is god of Vijayanagara Empire. Virupaksha will give us protection. For human beings, he gives Diksha of Dharma. Diksha means some advice or Diksha is by destroying the forests. Vijayanagara Empire was built. Vijayanagara Empire was built, and Hakka and Bukka has ruled this kingdom. And in all the directions, sound of peace and happiness is heard. So this is the meaning of ದ ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರೆವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು. If you know any better meaning of this, you can just leave in comments. And I had told I will do the class, I will leave the videos of personality development, but I thought only subscribers are only some 30 or something like that. So when it reaches some 60 or 70, then I can start doing the personality development class. Until that, different lesson videos and all that will be what we do in institute will be played. So please subscribe and like the song. Thank you.